So you know those banner ads in mobile apps? They're pretty annoying. And how much money do they make? Well, I made an app called Celestial Sound, and in the free version it has one of those little banner ads at the bottom, and you can upgrade to a premium version of the app, and then you don't have any ads and you have more sounds and stuff like that. So the way it works is I use Google AdMob, which has an API where you just put certain bits of code in your app, and then it calls the AdMob server and it does the whole auctioning process for getting ads. If everything is working correctly and there are people who want to put ads on mobile apps in your area and your demographic, then you're gonna get an ad. I have a match rate of 100%, so I always get ads. That's cool. The user, when he opens the app, it'll send a signal to AdMob and they will sort out the whole getting ads process and send an ad back. Then the user gets an ad, and when he clicks on it, then I get some money, very small amount. So my app has been up and running with the ads for like a year now, and let's take a look at my AdMob account to see how much money it made. It has over 1,000 downloads on Google Play and it currently has around 200 active users. So let's check it out. As we can see here, I have made €3. Yeah, you don't get a lot of money from ads if you don't have a lot of users. But yeah, €3 for 1 year, 1,000 installs. So we can calculate that. 3 users, 1 year. €3 divided by... So I get around 0.3 cents, euro cents per download. So it's just like an average of one person downloading the app, how long will they use it, and all of that is like factored into this simple calculation. Alright, so I'm not getting a lot of money from it, but I am getting money from the premium version, which doesn't have ads. So the ads are like just a reason to upgrade to the premium version. If you want to know how much the premium version made, I have a video about that too. Alright,